Merge linear systems represent the marriage of a general illumination LED linear system to a low-voltage track lighting system. Whether being used to deliver well-controlled ambient lighting or to highlight architectural elements, merge creates recessed, suspended, or flush mount lines of uniform glare-free LED light while offering stunning design flexibility. Glare-free, continuous channels of indirect LED illumination available in 4, 6, and 8-foot lengths are gangable to 80 feet from a single power source. A patented, concealed low-voltage bus system enables merge dedicated spot heads. Or, using the merge free jack connector, any tech lighting low-voltage head or pendant to be placed at any point along the linear run. 90-degree L connectors and wall-to-ceiling connectors add an array of design options. For light layering and mood setting, the linear channel can be controlled separately from the track system. The Merge 1.5 recessed linear system offers all the same performance features as the original Merge 3.0, but with an ultra-slim 1.5-inch aperture. The following steps detail directions for a recessed installation using threaded rod with a drywall ceiling. Examples of alternate recessed installation methods are shown here. For additional information, please review the instruction literature and consult a general contractor or electrician. Installation of the Merge 1.5 recessed linear system begins by prepping the individual fixtures of a run. Assemble the backer brackets to both sides of the fixture. The ceiling material will mount to these brackets during later steps. Align the backer brackets with holes on the housing appropriate to the final ceiling thickness, then screw down. Repeat for the remaining fixtures in the run. Assemble 1/4-inch threaded rod or bolts to the deck in a straight line and spaced the length of the fixtures. Assemble the mounting brackets to the threaded rods at the approximate height for the top of the fixture. Bring a fixture up to the mounting bracket and align the bracket studs with the slots in the fixture bulkhead. Secure the fixture in place with 2 nuts, but do not tighten. Tightening will occur during later alignment steps. Ensure the threaded rods do not extend past the bulkhead. Continue assembling fixtures to the mounting brackets. Slide adjacent fixtures together. Turn the nut in the mounting bracket to raise, lower, or align fixtures at their junction. Continue adjusting each fixture junction point until the backer flanges are flush with where the top of the ceiling surface will be, and so that all the fixtures all remain level. Tighten the 4 nuts at each junction to secure the fixtures in place. For the elimination of visual seams, assemble joiner plates on each side of the fixture. At this point, all fixtures can still be vertically adjusted as needed. With the fixture assembled, wire internal connections next. Connect internal black, low-voltage busbar wires together using the red wire nuts provided. Then, route the wires into the top corner of the fixture. Connect internal line voltage power harnesses with a jumper harness and route into the top of the fixture. To mount the end caps, attach the top portion using the 1.5-inch screws provided. Next, assemble the end cap bracket to the end cap using the 1-inch screws provided. Finally, connect the bottom portion of the end cap using the 1/4-inch screws provided. For external field connections, select the wiring knockouts for the most convenient wiring. Use one knockout for line voltage power and another knockout for low voltage power and dimming control. Remove the selected knockouts and assemble the conduit clamp. Connect the incoming low voltage field wires to the busbar feeds using the red wire nuts provided. Cut the jumper connector and strip the wire ends. Connect these to the field wiring for line voltage power. Test the linear, indirect system connected to the line voltage power as well as the track system connected to the low voltage power prior to installing the ceiling. To install the ceiling, bring the ceiling material up to the edge of the fixture and against the backer flanges. Vertical adjustment of the fixture junctions is still possible at this point. Using the self-tapping screws provided, fasten the ceiling to the backer flange. Mount plaster plates to the fixture using flathead machine screws provided. Then secure plaster plates to the ceiling using drywall screws. Mount end plaster plates to complete the run. Finish the ceiling by plastering, sanding, and painting. Inside of the fixture bevel can be painted to match the ceiling. Once the ceiling is finished, install the reflector by inserting it sideways into the fixture. Once inside, pivot the reflector and allow it to rest in its final position.
Merge track heads are mounted anywhere along the recessed channel and aimed for task or accent lighting. Heads can be repositioned as needed. The unique merge free jack connector accommodates the addition of any number of tech lighting heads or pendants.
Complete the installation by placing merge spot heads anywhere along the run, or use the merge free jack connector to place any tech lighting low voltage pendant.
For more information, visit techlighting.com or visit the Tech Lighting YouTube channel.